Hi guys, welcome to BBC Academy. Question number 1, exercise 2.2, class 11. Let the set is this, define a relation R from A to A. A relation is defined from A to A by x, y, 3x minus y equals to 0. From here, what you can write y equals to 3x. From here, you can write y equals to 3x. Okay. Now, what you need to do here, write down the its domain and codomain and range. Domain means the all the values of the first element that are called domain. Okay. See here, the relation is defined R, A to A. What are the subset of the element A? This. Okay. So you put these values and you will get the all the values in the set A. So you put here what you put here 7 3 are 21. If you put 1 2 3, see here 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. Okay, 3 5 are 15. When you put here x equal to 5, then you will get y equals to 15. That is not belongs to set A, and you have to get a relation A to A. So that in this set A, the 15 element is not present. It means the x equals to 5 you cannot put here. Okay. Then now 15, then after you will not get here. Okay. So now if x equals to 5 you cannot put here, it means you can put here only 1 to 4 element. Okay, that is your domain. That is your domain. All the possible values of the first element, that is called domain. So here the domain is 1 2 3 4. Okay. Now next after that, codomain. All the elements in the set A that are called codomain. Codomain is the same as the element in the set A. Okay. Now these are the all the element of the set. Now image means range. So range all the image of the domain element. The domain element 1 has the image 3, 2 has 6, 3 has 9, 4 has 12. How? Because y equals to here is written 3x, x equals to 1 you put here, 2 put here, 3 put here, 4 put here, 5 you know. Why? Because if you put here 5 and x y equal to you will get 15, that is not belong to set A. Okay, that's why you cannot put here 5. So and the image means range 3, 6, 9, 12. So you write here. Okay, this question we have done. Now we are moving on the next question. Next question number 2. Define a relation R on the set n of a natural number by R x comma y equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than x is a natural number which is less than 4. Okay, it means you can write here 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. Not you can write 4 because less than 4. Natural number, all the number counting numbers. Depict the relation using the roster form. Write down the domain and the range. Okay. Domain all the possible element of the x values. Okay. What are the possible values of x? Only 1, 2, 3 because less than 4. Domain is 1, 2, 3. Okay. That you write. After that you have to write the range. And you have to write this relation in the roster form. Roster form means this in the curly bracket. Okay. Now range all the images of this domain element. So if you put here 1, then you will get 6. If you put here 2, you will get 7. If you put here 3, you will get 8. Okay, so these are your ranges. The second element 6, 7, 8. These all the element are in image we will get by this relation. Okay, you put here x value, you will get y value. Okay, so now range is 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we are moving on the question 3. See, are A and B define a relation A to B. A to B. Okay. The difference between x and y is odd. Okay. Right? R is in the roster form. Means relation in the roster form. So the difference between x and y is odd. See here. If you subtract even, 2 minus 4, what you will get? 2. Means you will get even. Similarly, if you subtract odd, you will get even. It It means we cannot subtract here odd or even. We can subtract odd even or even odd. Okay. See here. First we choose 1 4, 1 6. Okay. Then after again next odd number 3 4 3 6. Okay. 5 4 5 6. Okay. Now here odd element is 9. 9 you choose here even 9 2. Okay. Means 2 9. So these are the possible element whose difference is odd. See 1 minus 4 what you will get 3, 6 minus 1 you will get 5, that is odd number. Okay. In this way you have to write here. Next question 4. The given figure shows a relation between P and Q. Write down the set builder form. Set builder form means like P belongs to this in this way. Okay. Now in the roster form, what is the domain and range? Okay. So first see here, this is the domain, this is the range. Relation is denoted to x comma y. What is relation here? You see here 3 you will get here and you are getting here 4. How you can get this? Here you are getting 5. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. No. You just see here what you will do. X minus 2 means 5 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 7 minus 2. Okay. It means this is the value of x and this is the value of y. It means what is the difference here? 2. It means x minus 2 you write here. So the relation y equals to x minus 2. Okay. If you put here 5 then y equal to you will get 3. This is your set building form. X belongs to where? In P. Okay. And this is set Q. And y belongs to Q. Okay. For x 5 6 7. Now roster form you write this 5 comma 3 6 comma 4 7 comma 5. This is the roster form. Now after that domain, the all the set of the element of these elements that are having the image here 5 6 7 and the range of R is 3 4 5. Okay. Next 5. Let us set this relation A defined by A comma B A. This base B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. Write R in the roster form. Relation R in the roster form. You can see 1 1 side divisible, 2 1 side divisible, 3 1 side divisible, 4 1 side divisible, 6 1 side means remaining one element. Okay. B is मतलब कि 6 ये सब लिखेंगे सभी 6 से डिवाइड 1 से डिवाइड ठीक है. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट हम 2 से डिवाइड होने वाला नंबर नहीं 4 डिवाइड 6 डिवाइड 2 4 6 ठीक है. अब देखो 3 से डिवाइड होने वाले एलिमेंट हमारे पास 6 और 3 और 6. इसके 4 से डिवाइड होने वाला केवल 4 6 से डिवाइड होने वाला केवल 6. and this is our relation that is in the roster. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट अब हमें राइट करना है फाइंड द domain all the element are in this set. Okay. And the first element see here 1 2 3 4 6. Okay. These are the element. Next range 1 2 3 4 6 all these element. Next question 6. Determine the domain and the range of the relation R defined by R equals to this x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what you need to determine here? Domain and range. ठीक है. x belongs to this मतलब ये यहाँ belongs कर रहा है. ठीक है. x की रेंज यहाँ 0 से लेकर 5 तक. ठीक है. यहाँ अगर 5 डालें तो हमारे कितना आ जाएगा 10. क्वेश्चन में क्लियर नहीं कर रखा है कि रिलेशन कहाँ से करना डिफाइन हो, ठीक है। तो डोमेन में ये सारे एलिमेंट हैं, तो these are element are belongs to in domain, ठीक है। Then after we have to write the images, means range. Range means all the images according to 0. What is the image? 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. It means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These all are images, means range. The range is this. Okay, in this way we have to do. Next question 7. Write the relation R. This x is a prime number is less than 10 in roster form. X is a prime number less than 10. Less than 10 prime number, what is 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now what we have to write here? Relation. So relation you would write here 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. And now the image is what is x cube. X cube 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 5 cube 125, 7 cube this, and this is your roster form of this relation. ठीक है, a b या x comma y element. Next question number 8. X comma y comma z b equals to 1 comma 2 comma find the number of the relation from a to b. a से b तक में number of relation this number of relation का पता करना है, पता करना है number of element a और b सेट में कितने हैं। तो a सेट में देखो 1 2 3 एलिमेंट्स और b सेट में कितने एलिमेंट हैं 2, ठीक है। टोटल एलिमेंट है 2 या 3। नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन द रिलेशन a b 3 into 2 6. How many? 3 into 2 6. Number of the elements is there 6, but we have to find their number of relations. See here how many number of relations can possibly have. So the number of the subsets of A cross B. So we have write down that A cross B. In A cross B there are the 6 elements. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How we can get? Here 3 element, here 2. 3 2 are 6. Okay. Now 6 element, but we have to write here all the relations. So all the relations means all the possible subset of A cross B. ठीक है, A cross B के subsets कितने हो जाएंगे हमारे? To the power 6. To the power 6. जो भी हर नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स है 6, उनको पावर में लिखना और इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे, ठीक है। द नंबर ऑफ रिलेशन फ्रॉम A to B is to the power 6. Question 9. Let R be the relation on Z. Z means integers. Okay. Define R A comma B. A comma B belongs to Z. A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and the range R. X and B. A and B both are belongs in Z, means in integer. If you find that difference of integer and integer, always you will get integer. Okay, it means here you always put number integer, here you also put here integer number. Okay, so that you can get always integer difference. If you put here rational number, that is not belong in integer, and if you find a difference, that is also not an integer. Okay. So that domain is also integer and the range is also integer. We have to write it. Okay. Then the only possible that difference will be an integer.
The body is most
Thank you and have a nice day.
also contain nutrient.